Mommy.
Be Glamtober. So your girl feeling good, looking good as usual. All my new subscribers, what's up? I'm Tisha, and to all of my OGs, what's up? So I have a cooking video for you. So yes, you guys, you can tell by that title what we're about to get into. So make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe right now. Like this video, comment, share, and of course, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, you just won't skip a beat. Period. You guys, so our first shout out is going to Lola Flame. That's what's up. That's my girl right there, y'all. Y'all gotta go subscribe to her. If you like to watch people eat just as much as I do, you might want to go check her out because she got some good mukbangs, y'all. Boo, go check my girl out. Shout out to her. Thank you for supporting me, girl. Bye. Make sure y'all smash that like button. We're gonna start doing a goal. I need like 25 likes for this video. If you want more cooking videos, like this video, of course. Get me to 25 likes. And we're gonna keep them coming. Show y'all what I got. We got our potatoes. We got some ranch filet. We got some sour cream, bacon bits. We got that shredded cheese. Some rotisserie chicken. Okay, so I already had the oven already preheated. It's been preheated for like 20 minutes now. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash these potatoes, and we're about to get into it. Okay? Maybe 5 would be good. I had already washed out my sink. I had already washed dishes and whatnot. Going in the oven, y'all. We're gonna be back in like 20 minutes. I'll go ahead to the timer. We gonna be back. Okay, you guys, so I don't have one of those mushy things. So we just kind of gotta like wing it with something. I got a big spoon. Yeah, we got that big boy chicken, y'all. Okay, so this is one thing that I actually did forget was the olive oil. Got a little burnt just because of the fact I didn't have it. So we're all finished up, and let me show y'all this finishing product. Huh? Yes, you guys. So it came out looking good now. Hold on. Came out looking good. This ain't heavy, y'all. Okay. So that's the end of this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try this at home. If you do, tag me on Instagram or on Facebook or wherever. Make sure you follow me because I'm gonna leave my links down below. So y'all make sure y'all follow your girl and take some pictures. Let me see what's up, or drop a video so I can see what's up. Okay? So love you guys. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course hit that notification bell if you want to know whenever I post new videos or whatever, because it's always something new. It's always something popping, okay? Your girl is out. Bye. Yes, it's like tender. Oh, shit. That must be the broccoli right there.
Mama, Chloe, Daddy. Ooh. Ooh.
Okay, that's it. Don't record. You can stop.